Hi, this is Lena Shea in Iowa Mom, and I'm going out again and picking more apples. I learned the hard way yesterday that you need to be very careful about safety.
Tip 1. Wear safety glasses. Yesterday, while I was reaching through the branches, I had a branch poke me right in the eye. I had to go to the eye doctor with a scratched cornea. Didn't feel so hot. Number 2. Pick the branches you can reach first. Seems like the easy thing to do. Number 3. Use a basket or a bucket with a handle. That way your hands are free to grab a hold of that ladder while you're climbing. Number 4. Only use step ladders. If you're trying to lean a ladder up against a tree, it is not safe. But a step ladder can be firmly placed so that it doesn't tip. Tip 5. Do a little wiggle test with the ladder to be sure all the legs are placed firmly. If it's not, just move it here and there until you find a level ground where all 4 legs are placed firm. Tip 6. It may be tempting to reach for that beautiful apple that's just out of reach, but don't do it. It's not worth it. Instead, just get off the ladder and move it so that you can reach it. Number 7. Take it slow. If you rush, it's easy to misstep, and that's the way an accident can happen.
When you're ready to use these, be sure and wash them. Yes, believe me, I know what's out here, and you don't want any of that on this. Ew. Okay, the last tip is know when to quit. There's a whole bunch of apples way up there. I could struggle, try to get a taller ladder and do all kinds of stuff. But you know, I got a lot of apples. Let them go. Just walk away. Okay. This is Lena Shea in Iowa Mom. Thanks for watching. Oh, stay safe out there.
If you'd like to see more, go to youtube.com/an Iowa Mom videos. Then click on the video tab for a whole list.